Have you ever opened your bank account and wondered, wow, how did I manage to save this much? The truth is, building wealth doesn't always come from drastic sacrifices or striking it lucky. It often comes from simple, consistent habits that quietly build up over time. What's even better is, you might not even notice the progress until one day you realize you're in a far stronger financial position than before. In this video, we'll explore some of these subtle money habits that can help you grow richer without even realizing it. Number 1. Tracking your spending. You don't need to monitor every single penny, but having a clear picture of where your money goes can make a huge difference. Budgeting apps like Mint or Weeb make it easy to track your spending habits with little effort. Once you become aware of your spending, smarter choices start to happen naturally. For example, you might realize you're spending $100 a month on coffee and decide to cut it down to $50. That extra $50 can go straight into savings or investments, and over time, it really adds up. The best part? You're not depriving yourself, because you still get to enjoy your coffee, just in a more intentional way. Number 2. Paying yourself first. One of the most powerful money habits you can build is paying yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings or investments before you spend on anything else. It doesn't need to be a large amount. Even just 10% of your paycheck can create a big impact over time. For example, if you earn $1,100 and immediately set aside $100, you're already growing your wealth without really feeling the loss. In a year, that's $1,200 saved, and over a decade, it could grow even more thanks to interest or smart investments. The secret is to make it automatic. Set up a direct deposit to your savings or investment account so you don't even have to think about it. Before you know it, you'll have a healthy nest egg quietly building in the background. Number 3. Automating your finances. Think of automation as your personal money assistant, working in the background to keep you on track with your goals. By automating your savings, investments, and bill payments, you're not only building wealth consistently, but also avoiding costly late fees. It's the perfect example of how out of sight doesn't mean out of mind when it comes to growing your finances. Number 4. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. When you get a raise or a bonus, it can be tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. Maybe buy a nicer car, move into a bigger place, or splurge on luxury items. The problem is, this lifestyle inflation can quietly eat away at your financial progress. A smarter move is to keep living the way you do now and save or invest the extra income instead. For instance, if you get a $200 monthly raise, act like it doesn't exist and put it directly into your savings or retirement fund. Over time, this simple habit can grow your wealth significantly without requiring any extra effort from you. Number 5. Cutting back on unused subscriptions. Monthly subscriptions can quietly drain your wallet if you're not paying attention. Taking time to review services like Netflix, Spotify, or gym memberships can free up more money than you realize. For example, canceling an unused $15 gym subscription saves you $180 a year, money that can be redirected towards savings or investments. Number 6. Investing small amounts regularly. Consistent investing, even in small amounts, is one of the keys to building lasting wealth. Putting aside as little as $50 a month into an index fund lets you take advantage of market growth over time through dollar-cost averaging. This approach removes the pressure of trying to time the market and allows your money to compound, steadily growing into something substantial in the long run. Number 7. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund serves as a safety net, protecting you from unexpected expenses while keeping debt at bay. For instance, paying for a $1,000 car repair with your savings instead of a credit card not only avoids interest charges, but also saves you from unnecessary stress, strengthening both your finances and peace of mind. Number 8. Shopping smarter, not harder. Smart shopping isn't about depriving yourself, it's about being intentional with your spending. Simple strategies like using cashback apps, waiting for sales, or giving yourself 24 hours before making an impulse purchase can save you a lot of money. Those savings can then be redirected toward your bigger financial goals. Number 9. Surrounding yourself with financially savvy people. Your social circle has a powerful effect on your financial habits. Surrounding yourself with friends who are smart with money can naturally encourage better practices like saving, budgeting, or investing, which helps you grow wealth almost effortlessly. Number 10. Learning about money. One of the most overlooked habits for building wealth is simply learning about money. Whether it's through books, podcasts, or YouTube videos, financial education can make a massive difference. For instance, discovering how compound interest works might push you to start investing sooner, while understanding the value of a strong credit score could encourage you to pay off your balance each month. The more knowledge you gain, the smarter your choices become, and over time, those choices can lead to lasting wealth. Number 11. Utilizing tax-advantaged accounts. Maximizing contributions to tax-advantaged accounts, like IRAs or 401ks, not only lowers your taxable income, but also strengthens your long-term financial security. By fully taking advantage of these accounts, you can grow your wealth more efficiently without putting extra strain on your day-to-day budget. Number 12. Reviewing and adjusting your insurance coverages. Regularly reviewing your insurance helps you avoid overpaying for coverage you don't need while making sure you're properly protected. Over time, the savings can add up significantly, freeing up more money to put toward investments in wealth building. Number 13. Embracing subtlety in communication. Stealth wealth isn't only about how you handle your finances, it's also about how you talk about them. Those who practice it often downplay their success, steering clear of conversations about income, investments, or big purchases that could reveal their true wealth. This discretion carries over into everyday conversations, social media, and even business dealings. By mastering the art of understatement, you protect both your privacy and your security. Number 14. Practicing mindful giving. Aligning your charitable giving with tax planning allows you to maximize the impact of your donations while also taking advantage of tax benefits. This way, you're not only supporting the causes you care about, but also strengthening your overall financial position. Number 15. Using technology for privacy. In today's digital world, maintaining privacy is challenging, but it's essential for practicing stealth wealth. Tools like privacy-focused browsers, VPNs, secure financial apps, and even blockchain solutions can help protect your financial anonymity. By safeguarding your digital footprint, you also safeguard your long-term wealth. Building financial prosperity doesn't demand drastic changes. It's the small, consistent actions that truly matter. By adopting habits like paying yourself first, resisting lifestyle inflation, and making smarter financial choices, you can steadily grow your wealth. These practices are simple to apply, require little sacrifice, and deliver big rewards over time. Start today and let your money work for you while your wealth grows naturally. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on more practical tips to help you achieve financial freedom. I'd also love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What money habit are you starting today? Your insights might inspire others too.